Good morning, everyone. Dear distinguished guests, dear ladies and gentlemen, dear panelists, dear friends. I would like to welcome you all. Thank you for coming and joining us for this panel. I'm sure the discussion is going to be very interesting. And at the beginning, I would like to invite you to vote also for our question. So please comment on that one. Let me start also with the first introductory remark regarding Industry 4.0, or smart industry, as we also used to call it. Traditional businesses, traditional business models and industry will need to adapt and transform actually to new digital era. This process of transformation and adaptation is often called as fourth industrial revolution. It comes after the steam, after the electric power, and it would be dominated by the power of ICT and Internet of Things. I think the success of implementing this concept would be crucial, would be critical for industries all around the world, for their productivity, for their efficiency. So I'm very happy that actually I have experts who will discuss their experience on this issue with us here today. Let me welcome Mr. Kapuria, who actually brings his expertise from the automotive industry, high-tech, trade, and also public policy sector. He is the chairman of the high-tech group that has a wide portfolio of advanced technology designs and services in the fields of robotics, artificial intelligence, vision, and embedded systems. Welcome. Mr. Ralf Diemer, who has joined us from the German Association of Automotive Industry in Brussels, who has a wide range of experience from the policy fields such as digitalization, connectivity of cars, competitiveness, financial market regulation, and many others. Mr. Stefan Rosina, as the president and the chairman of the board of Matador, a car tire producer here in Slovakia. He has been with the company for more than 2 decades, actually, and held various positions in research, engineering, as well as management. The fourth gentleman, Mr. Radislav Danilák, is also originally from Slovakia. But he's currently based actually in San Francisco, running a successful business, Skyra, develop a solid-state storage system for scale-out cloud and enterprise data centers. Thank you for making this trip and be here with us today. I would like to kick off actually the debate with more general question, to which I assume we will have different approaches. Do you believe actually that the digital transformation to Industry 4.0 is crucial for our industries? Do you believe that this process is necessary for us to be more competitive and more efficient? May I start with Mr. Kapuria?
One issue that I want to just bring on for, and I guess that's a part of just the backdrop, that the industry is struggling in many ways. And the issue today is that there is a complexity in the system, there's volatility, whatever part of the supply chain you are in, you are not very sure of what the demand is going to be. The customers are demanding a price point, they're demanding some kind of luxury at a price point, and then there's a government which is also trying to legislate some issues of safety, some issues of sustainability. Now, all these are the drivers for the manufacturing industry to change. And riding on the change, basically enabling it, is the digital setup which is happening. So the mega data, the data which can be now extracted from a cloud, the issues of how the machines at least are now talking to each other. They have been for a while, where a CNC system can have a closed loop. You can produce components which are of quality. But the issue remains is that how soon that is going to happen. So there is a lot of work in progress. This is going to be something that each manufacturing industry will have to contend with. That's a given. And with that given, what needs to get done is that you need to understand it fully and holistically and make it into a business plan rather than trying to attempt it in a micro way. So that would be my first response to this, that it is going to touch each and every part of the manufacturing industry sooner than later. and there has to be a preparation for it, which needs to cut the hype out of Industry 4.0 and make it more deployable in a way that balances both the virtual world and the real world.
Thank you.